Dan Sweeter, Trash Bin Cleaner, Direct New England. Eco Wash trucks going out the door today. It's actually like 1 in the morning. Their flights got delayed for their delivery drivers. So right now, this one is a diamond truck with 10 swing out doors. They can be pinned in the open and closed position. It's got dual 400-gallon tanks, 18-stage wastewater recycling and filtration system, 3,500 psi 9-gallon hot water power washer, safety strobe lights, stainless steel 3,000-pound rated high temperature, cleaning head, dual bin grabber for the lifters, universal lifter, inlet reel, high pressure reel, vacuum hose reel, 48-inch surface cleaner, and it's on an FTR Super Duty 25,995 pound rated. Shocking enough, there's so many trucks and trailers on the road that are so grossly overloaded they're not even street legal. Also, we pulled the wastewater out of the trash bin hopper. We do not transfer wastewater in an open hopper. You have to secure all cargo in, out, up, down, even if it's bottled water, tap water, wastewater, hazardous wastewater, black water, steel, rebar, plywood. Any cargo has to be secured by the DOT. One of our competitors' clients out of New Jersey got a $13,000 fine for hauling wastewater in an open hopper, and also there was a $5,000 of that. $13,000 was for disposing of wastewater illegally in an RV park. Drain at a truck stop, that's illegal. For you to just assume you can go on private property or somebody else's business and dump your wastewater, or commercial affluent is what it's called. So this one actually has the FTR, like I said, 25,995, dual 400-gallon tanks, 800-gallon total capacity, 18-stage wastewater recycling filtration system, completely wrapped and ready. Logo design, everything was done here before it actually left, so they're ready to go. I'll let you kind of squeeze into the QR code here to check out their website. Yep, this is second truck for them, and more on the way down the road shortly, I hope. So get a hold of the Trash Bin Cleaner Direct. Our sales staff can help you, tech support. We can help you on the environmental aspects of the business, marketing assistance, guidebook, advertising, website, wraps, graphics, business cards, you name it. Thanks again. Dan P. Trash Bin Cleaner Direct.